Welcome, everyone. This is Elsie Kerns, and what a week we've had. Tuesday night, full moon, lunar eclipse, and the reverberation from that event continues for the next week or so. We also are in the midst of war and just general chaos throughout the world. So, this is a very beneficial healing tip that you can do anytime, anywhere to calm your anxiety. We're going to take a 3-finger notch, place it right in this little cavity here by the thyroid. And this is an anxiety calming point that we're using. And then our hand is going to go on the side of the head. Our fingertips are up on the temple. Our thumb is right at the end of the earlobe. So we're just cradling our face this way, breathing in and out, letting go. Doing that several times and then changing sides. These points are bilateral. So now we're on the other side. Again, we're in that thyroid notch here. Our fingertips are resting again on the temples, and our thumb is behind the ear. And we're just coming in again, calmly, quietly, breathing in and just letting go. Try that several times. So we have two calming points here for anxiety and overwhelm. 2 points behind the ear, at the end of the earlobe, and that major point here, right by the thyroid. Practice this. It's easy, and it will help you lower your blood pressure and your heart rate. So let's enjoy looking forward to spring. Don't forget to set those clocks ahead, and I'll see you next week.